Welcome to Snail Trail 4x4. Today I'm going to be telling you about our Patreon gift boxes. If you didn't know we were on Patreon, you should definitely check it out. There's some awesome tier build-ups in there. Something for everybody from $1 to $20. And this is our $20 tier here, which is the gift boxes. We do these. Right now we're doing them twice a year. And a big special shout out to everybody that has signed up for this and making this possible for us. We're excited to be doing these gift boxes. We're super happy with the outcome. And what we do is we take a small chunk of that money every month and we use that to do a bulk buy from companies to get discounted rates so that we're actually supplying you with a bigger value than what you've spent in to get these boxes. So we're hoping you really enjoy it. But let me show you what's in this box. All right, to get us started, I first want to do a really quick shout out to Van Life. I appreciate you leaving the table accidentally in my shop and letting me use it, even though you don't know I'm using it. But go check out Van Life, they're really cool. So in this box, what we have is you're going to start off by opening it up and you're going to get yourself a Snail Trail sticker and just some basic Snail Trail information here about links and where you can find us and where we're at and hashtags we like to use. So that's where you're going to start. We'll throw that over here. So then when you open up this box, you're going to find a card that we created that pretty much describes everything in the box and gives you details on what it is, how to use it, what the features are, and things of that nature. From there, we'll go here since this is the next big one. You got a MORRFlate. You're getting a discount code and some things for MORRFlate. So yeah, that's really rad. You're going to get a MORRFlate sticker. Thank you for that. And the MORRFlate digital tire gauge. This thing's really cool. It's got a quick, easy on and off section here that you just press and hold. You slide it on to your tire and boom, instantly tells you what your tire pressure is. And it goes from like 0 to 200 PSI with a 1% accuracy. So it's really, really nice where the analog styles and things like that aren't nearly as accurate as this guy is here. So cool, awesome feature. Thank you so much, MORRFlate. Let's go here. Next, we got the Vaunt LED Lantern. We've talked about this in the past. It's not going to light up because it doesn't have any batteries in it. But they did supply batteries for you guys as well. So that's a really cool Vaunt LED Lantern. I have a whole video on that. Actually, it'll be over here. You can check that out. I'm throwing in an air freshener for you guys because we all know our rigs could use a little bit more smell. The next thing down here, we'll just go right here. We got a Trail 4R sticker, some stickers from our friends. Thank you so much. We have an exploration-ready first aid kit for your glove box. This has some basic features inside it, or basic amenities inside of it. Something quick and easy and simple for your glove box. If you're looking for bigger and more extravagant first aid kits, definitely check them out. And if you're a Patreon subscriber, then you get a discount, which is really cool. Also, something neat about this company is you can use your HSA or your, there's another one out there, I can't remember off the top of my head. You can use that money that either your company or you set aside for your first aid kit, which is really nice. One of the last things in here is a 10mm from Gear Wrench. You always lose a 10mm. They're small, they roll away, they just disappear. Gear Wrench was super nice and donated a bunch of 10mm sockets for you to have. So that's super nice. Thank you, Gear Wrench. All right, last big one here is a 7-inch soft shackle from Freedom Ropes. If you don't know Freedom Ropes, you should definitely check them out. They've got some awesome stuff up there, and they've got some new stuff coming down the line. But these guys are rad. They're super lightweight. They're stronger than D-Links, and they're great to use, super easy to use, and really, really nice. What I like about them is their braking strength is massive, and they're kind of moldable, and you can use them however you want to an extent. The last little thing in here is because it's Halloween, and I wanted to give you guys a little, some little treats. Snickers are my favorite candy, so I'm throwing in some Snickers into the box for you guys as a little Halloween sweetness. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoy your box set. If you're looking to get a box set from us, make sure to go check out patreon.com/snailtrail4x4. Otherwise, hammer down on that subscribe button so you can check out more videos on this channel. And like always, everybody, don't forget, keep crawling.